Universe Atom hit another untouched high of 44.70 United States dollars on September 20, 2021. From that point forward, Cosmos has drawn in the consideration of crypto lovers. Today Cosmos is in the main 20 crypto resources on CoinMarketCap. What are the expectations at the cost of Cosmos Atom in 2022? Particle news and updates. Cosmos declared the hackathon sole occasion that could fabricate serious areas of strength for a biological system and make new answers for Cosmos's organization. Cosmos expanded dynamic validator set from 150 to 175. This will makes Cosmos network more grounded. Atom has encountered a critical dive with 11% cost ascend from $9.95 to $11.05 in the beyond 24 hours on 22 July 2022. What is Cosmos Atom? Universe is a crypto network joined by open source devices to smooth out exchanges between them. The organization was established by Žarko Milosevic, Jay Kwan, and Ethan Buchman through an underlying coin offering, ICO, in 2017. The Cosmos network improvement is upheld by the Interchain Foundation, ICF, situated in Zug, Switzerland. As a general rule, the Cosmos has three separate however interconnected substances. Cosmos Network it is a profoundly versatile, free, and interoperable decentralized network that makes the establishment for another symbolic economy. Atom is a crypto resource claimed by the Cosmos organization. Interchain Foundation, ICF, is an environment supporting association that will add to the Cosmos organization. Atom has seen critical additions starting from the beginning of 2021. From the start of the year to September 16, 2021, the cost of Atom rose by 426% as per CoinMarketCap information. Universe additionally hit an untouched high of 44.70 United States dollars on September 20, 2021. October 2021 is additionally an intriguing time for Atom token holders. The Atom cost remained over 30 United States dollars consistently, with the most elevated esteem at 43.22 United States dollars on October 26, 2021, and the end cost of 37.26 United States dollars, a slight increment contrasted with the September shutting cost. After that, the Cosmos cost declined further until it came to 21.21 United States dollars on December 14, 2021. Then there was a significant recuperation coming to 43.61 United States dollars on December 16, 2021. When this video was compassed, the most recent cost of Atom to United States dollars came to 24.72 United States dollars. What is Cosmos Atom? Basically, Cosmos charges itself as a task that settles probably the most difficult issues confronting the blockchain business. It expects to offer a counteractant to slow, costly, unscalable and earth-destructive evidence of work conventions, similar to those utilized by Bitcoin, by offering a biological system of associated blockchains. The venture's different objectives incorporate making blockchain innovation less complicated and hard for engineers, thanks to a particular system that demystifies decentralized applications. To wrap things up, an inter-blockchain communication convention makes it more straightforward for blockchain organizations to speak with one another, forestalling fracture in the business. Universe's starting points can be traced all the way back to 2014, when Tendermint, a center supporter of the organization, was established. In 2016, a white paper for Cosmos was distributed and a symbolic deal was held the next year. Molecule tokens are procured through a crossover evidence of stake calculation, and they help to keep the Cosmos Hub, the task's leader blockchain, secure. This cryptographic money likewise plays a part in the organization's administration. Who are the founders of Cosmos? The fellow benefactors of Tendermint. The doorway to the Cosmos biological system were Jay Kwan, Žarko Milosevic and Ethan Buchman. In spite of the fact that Kwan is as yet recorded as head modeler, he ventured down as CEO in 2020. He keeps up with he is as yet a piece of the task however is for the most part zeroing in on different drives. He has now been supplanted as Tendermint CEO by Peng Zhang, and the entire top managerial staff was given a seriously significant revive. Their objectives incorporate upgrading the experience for engineers, making an energetic local area for Cosmos, and building instructive assets, so more noteworthy quantities of individuals know about what this organization is able to do. What makes Cosmos unique? A main issue for some in the crypto business fixates on the degrees of discontinuity seen in blockchain networks. There are hundreds in presence, yet not many of them can speak with one another. Universe intends to flip this completely around by making this conceivable. Universe is depicted as blockchain 3.0, and as we referenced before, a major objective is guaranteeing that its framework is clear to utilize. To this end, the Cosmos Programming Improvement Unit centers around particularity. This permits an organization to be handily constructed utilizing lumps of code that as of now exist. Long haul, it's trusted that mind-boggling applications will be direct to develop subsequently. Versatility is another need, meaning significantly a bigger number of exchanges can be handled a second than more dated blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum. On the off chance that blockchains are to at any point accomplish standard reception, they should have the option to adapt to request, as well as existing installment handling organizations or sites, or be far superior. Things that affect Atom's price increase. One thing that pushed the Cosmos cost up was the send-off of its previously decentralized finance (DeFi) interface. Something that made Cosmos so keen on venturing into the universe of DeFi is that DeFi has the foundation that Cosmos needs. Like Terra, which has given stablecoins and stages to speculations, Kava, the credit market, and the banned protocol acknowledge off-chain information takes care of. With Cosmos's inter-blockchain communication, the choices appear to be perpetual. Different variables adding to Cosmos's cost climb are its incorporation with Ethereum, ETH, which presently has most DeFi applications, and its interoperability with Bitcoin, BTC. Universe Interchain accounts upgrade the Interchain Foundation, a non-benefit association of the Cosmos biological system, reported the arrival of the Interchain accounts overhaul on February 17, 2022. Sent off in April 2021, the Inter-Blockchain Communications (IBC) convention is the Cosmos standard for blockchain interoperability. It permits an individual blockchain to control a record on a different chain. There are 38 activities using IBC as of now: Quite Terra, Crypto.org chain and Gravity Span. The interchain accounts redesign will be the biggest to the environment since Stargate, which empowered Cosmos blockchains to interface with one another, involving the normalized convention